All right, another role that we would like to look at today in terms of understanding the responsibilities will be the program manager or program director. Now, before we go into this, I think it's quite important to understand what a program is. A program really is a number of interdependent projects, okay? A number of interdependent projects, but that are being run together. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you are a program manager in Transport for London. You know, Transport for London, by the way, for those who might be not be a Londoner or who might not be familiar with the UK, is the main transportation underground train link in the UK. All right, it connects a number of cities together, but runs underground. So it's called Transport for London. But apart from the train, they also have buses, they have tram, they have some other ways of transportation. But let's assume that you're working for Transport for London as a program manager or director. Now, you might be involved in a train station refurbishment project, which essentially means that, that refurbishment, you want to increase the number of footfall in that train station. You want to have enough people to patronize the train station. Therefore, they are refurbishing the train station. They are putting new, uh, you know, new self-service point in train station, putting some new lighting there, allowing some paint job to happen on the walls and stuff like that. And as part of that, also they're also looking at improving the rail tracks. You know, maybe buying new trains and stuff like that. You know, so if you're a program manager here, you could have one project around refurbishing actually the station itself. You know, the paint jobs and all that. And that's another project would be the self-service kiosk where tickets are dispensed within the hall, the train station hall. The other another project could be the fact that you've ordered new set of trains to come in from China or wherever. You know, so these three projects, they are interdependent because they're achieving the same kind of business change objective. Therefore, as a program manager, you have three project manager working under you, being overseen by you as a program manager. But because the projects are interrelated together, you are the one who is the head of the program. I hope that makes sense. So, what is your responsibility? Well, your primary responsibility here is the successful delivery of those required outcomes from each of those projects that I've just mentioned, including the establishment of appropriate governance and assurance, monitoring progress, managing risk and issues, and ensuring that the business is ready for the change. What does that mean? It means you are putting a governance on within the program that we cover every single project within the program, you know, which means people are doing things the right way, they are doing their reporting the right way, they're managing risk the same way. You might also have regular meetings with your project managers. You should have regular meetings with your project managers to give an update on how things are going. All right, so a program manager therefore creates a framework of success for those interdependent projects to ensure that the key objective of the project is achieved. And one of the things also that the project program manager would do is to ensure that risk across each of the projects, you know, is being managed properly as at the program level, so that if there's a risk that will affect the train being ordered from the self-service kiosk, those things need to be highlighted and shared among the project managers so they can know what to do and work together like that. I hope that helps. All right, speak to you another time.